So from the outside it's pretty obvious what's going on here, but from the inside sometimes you can't see. But from feel, we got a high area here, which from the outside is low. These areas are going to be stretched because of the hole that was drilled. So when I weld them and I get them hot, I'll shrink them back down. But for now, those are going to stay. I'm just going to roughly work out this spot here. It's a very thin metal, so I don't have to hit it too hard. When I rough stuff in, I like to use this wooden slapper because I don't stretch the metal when I do it. That was just to rough it out. When I feel it now, I can tell that this is a high ridge, and you can see a dent at the end of it here. But basically this is a high ridge and this is all low. So I'll do dolly down here on the high, and from the inside I'll hit the low, see if I can get a little better. People are gonna think I'm lazy.